Let's continue with our GrizzlyBot drivetrain. We've gotten to this point. And what we want to do now, since we have these gears that can turn, for example, I can come to the middle one here and I can animate it. And there it goes. It turns, but it doesn't turn the other gears. In order to get those other gears to turn, we need to use this thing up here called a gear relation. So let me click there. And then what you do with this tool is you click two revolute mates that you want to be related to each other. So I'm going to click the front and the middle and accept that. And now if I come to the middle and I animate it, they will be linked together. But if you look closely, you can see that they're not really meshing here. It's sort of unrealistic. And the way to fix that is to come to either the front or the middle, and you're going to come to one of the mate connectors, right click, edit, and you're going to rotate it by clicking move here, and then rotate about this Z axis, which is the axis coming out of the page here. And if I go 6 degrees, that should move it so it looks exactly the same. So there's 60 teeth, 360 divided by 60 is 6. So I'm going to go 3 degrees here, and you can see that they moved nicely, and now they're meshed, which is nice. Okay, so accept that. And now I need to add another gear relation between the middle and the rear, and we'll accept that. And if I come here and I animate the middle, it should have everything moving. There we go. And if I look closely, you'll see I've got the same problem with my teeth not meshing here. So let's go ahead and go to the, let's say the rear. We'll pick one of these mate connectors, edit, click move, and we want to rotate 3 degrees about the Z-axis. Okay, so I think we're good there. Let's check it one last time. We'll come to the middle revolute mate and we'll click it, and there it goes. So I think that's looking okay. Alright, let's put the wheels on. So we'll come over here to our Vex library and come down here to wheels and rollers, and we're going to pick the 4-inch traction wheel with inserts. Now, got to be a little careful here. So take the default one. What that's going to do, let me insert it in here. That is going to put in a little insert in the center so that it fits our smaller shafts. So let me click on there and then also rotate it 90 degrees so it matches the way it's going to go in there. And let's make another one. If I just copy it out here, right click copy, it's not going to work because it's going to miss that little insert. So the way to do that is to come over here in the feature list, right click, copy, and then right click, paste, and you can see it's got the insert there. Yeah, there we go. Let's move it over here, and now let's just attach it there with a fasten mate. So we'll come up here, right in the middle. We'll come over here, right in the middle, and it doesn't bring the whole thing over there. It will if I hit the screen check mark. But okay, let's go ahead and accept it. There it is. But we want to pull that in just a little bit, I think. So if I edit this, I think we want to make it a little along the z-axis, like minus 0.2, and then accept that. That's going to give us a little bit of room for our shaft collar. We may need to make some adjustments here, but that's okay. We'll do that later in terms of these offsets. All right, let's do the other one. There, and there. And offset, we'll do 0.2, minus 0.2. And we'll accept that. And I think we're getting there. Let's animate this. We can change this to loop instead of back and forth. And I think that's looking pretty good. Okay, I think we'll stop there on this one, and thanks for watching.